Hey ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Do you know how long your wheelbase is?
Yes ma'am, it's this load is come from Montreal, all the way Montreal. So this is before, it's over, and then this is the one now. So I have to move all the way there to the back.
Right, but you might be over your wheelbase when you moved it.
I'm not sure ma'am, but I think it's well, we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah,
Hopefully it's not. Hold here, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
CBSA, puta. Alright guys, bukas ang timbangan. Woohoo! Sana hindi tayo ma-check, hindi tayo ma-inspection. Dito na tayo sa government scale dito sa Just Pass Golden. Mabigat pa naman tong load ko, pero fully aware naman ako na nasa tamang timbang ako dahil patimbang tayo sa previous video natin guys. Sundan lang natin si Bopalo. Dahan-dahan lang. Nag-full tank pa naman ako dito sa doon sa kanina. Baka sumobra tayo Nag-full tank tayo ng gasolina Traktor at saka trailer ang pinull tank natin Ayun na. Palagpasin muna natin yan. .55 kg. $17,270. Puta, sobra ako sa drive ng 270. Trailer. Atras tayo. Shit. 1760. 16,980. Okay, park trailer and bring paperwork daw. Inspectionin tayo. Sobra tayo 270. Gasolina lang naman yun Alangan naman na pa ako, anuin pa kaya ako. Okay, 17,270. Gasolina lang yun Nag-full tank kasi ako sa Strathmore Diyos. Ilagay natin ng roadside inspection. Okay. Okay, roadside. On duty. Personal hook dispatch clearance. Yan. Daling ko yung paperwork ko dun guys. Pati yung ano, nagtimbang naman tayo eh. Gasolina lang yan eh. Bring paperwork inside, sabi ni madam. Sobra tayo sa ano guys, sobra tayo sa drive ng 270 gasolina yon, malamang. Patay lang natin paperwork, pati itong ano ko siguro baka kailangan din nila. Baka kailangan din nila to. Pati trailer. Hey ma'am,
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Do you know how long your wheelbase is?
Yes ma'am, it's all the way in there cause I almost with my scale, so I move it all the way there. This load is come from Montreal, all the way Montreal. So this is before, it's over, and then this is the one now. So I have to move all the way there to the back.
Right, but you might be over your wheelbase when you moved it.
I'm not sure ma'am, but I think it's well, we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah,
Hopefully
you
it's not. Hold here, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
CBSA, puta. Hopefully hindi.
Pardon? You're holding it. Hold it tight.
Bob. I'm still okay, ma'am? No?
So this is the max that you can move it to. So the center of these two axles can't be any further than right here. This is your 41-foot mark.
Okay.
It's 12.5 meters.
I thought it's this one is not. This one is okay, even this axle in here.
No, it's the center of them.
Okay.
The center has to be no further than here.
So, what we're gonna do with that, ma'am?
Yeah, so you'll have to move it. Are you able to do it here?
Move from there? I'm gonna over, ma'am.
Yeah, and then you'll have to reweigh how much do you think you're gonna be over.
Cause this load is already. This is the max though. So you want me? So this is one. So you want me to in the middle?
Yeah, the center has to be no further than here.
How many holes is
So
that? I
in
guess.
BC,
Yes,
everything's really tight, like all the corners, so we don't want people's trailers coming into oncoming traffic.
Okay.
That's why the wheelbase is shorter, and it can't be any further than here.
Okay.
So, yeah, for safety reasons, move it and then come over the scale. We'll weigh it, and then see what we can do. But I'll grab all your documents as well, and I'll do
Okay.
up the paperwork for that one.
All right. Okay. I will move, ma'am.
Okay, first
I will
paperwork though.
I will give you all my paperwork
Okay.
there. So I have to move. I don't know how many scale I have to pass all the way to Vancouver.
Well, you have to leave it like, once you move it, you have to leave it like that.
Okay. So do I get a ticket with that?
We'll see what your weights are.
Okay.
Because if you're gonna be well over, you might have to either go back.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so that's why I was asking you if you knew what your weights are gonna be at.
If you ask me there, I'm gonna overweight, ma'am. Like I mean, probably if I move 2 holes, probably it's about 600. 400 kg. So 180 or 200 kg is every hole. So if I move forward here, I'm gonna be over. So I just full tank my
Okay,
truck.
just wait. You your trailer documents
Yeah.
and your driver's license. First and last name?
I'm sorry?
First and last name?
Nestor Trinidad,
Okay, and date of birth?
December 17, 1981.
Address still the same?
Address? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, yeah, so do that and then come over the scale on the westbound side, so the same side that you came through on,
Okay.
and I'll weigh it out, and then you can park and I'll come talk to you, okay?
Okay. Pull over ako dito sa ano. Oh, ay nako. Halos sagad-sagad na. Dalawang butas. Ay nako. Nasagad, sagad. Dalawang butas na naman to. Kaya banti natin ngayon. So yun dito, sa gitna dapat, itong gitna dito. So tatlo, dalawa. Mas natin dalawa. Sagad. Oh God. Napakasalimot naman ng buhay ng truck driver, guys. Guhitan ko nga muna yung ano para alam natin kung ilan yung inatras natin. Asan na ba yung ano? So ito yung mark. Dapat itong dalawang axle na to dapat pupunta rito. Okay, so nandito yung ano natin, yan. Atras ako ng 1, 2. Dalawa lang sigurong kaya niyan. Dalawa lang. Sobra-sobra na tayo ng timbang yan. Okay. Oh, nasobrahan. Nandun yung marka natin. Okay. Hilahin natin. Sumobra. Ay. Babayin ulit. Okay. So kunti pa. Hilahin pa natin kunti. Siyam na butas. Ilayin natin. Hoy! Ay. So sobra tayo. Isang ganun. Kailangan isa pa. Oh. Ah. Sobra. Oh. Yatras ko pa ng mga isa o dalawang gulong yan. Ay nako. Malayo, malayo. Yan ang kailangan nila, oh. Dito dapat, dito. Ito, dito tayo. Ayan. Hoy! Mali, atras. Oh, yan. Yan siguro, wala na siyang masasabi dyan. Atras pa natin ng isang butas. Sa pangbutas. Gitna ang gusto niya, gitna eh. $600 o $700 siguro ang sobra ko nito. Sobrahan naman tayo. Hilahin natin ang isa. Ay, 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 ay. Sa gitna, gitnang gitna na yan. Atras ko, atras. Pagka hinihila ko, andyan ang butas ko. Atras yan, atras. Ay, nako. Siguro wala na silang masasabi dyan. Pero baka sobra naman ako, hindi ko may eksakto eh. Ayan, eksakto na. Baka sobra na talaga ako yan, guys. Yan. Ito na magagawa dyan. Kung magkanong sobra at ilan ang sasabihin nila. $600 siguro ang sobra nito. 600 kilos. Ay, nako. Ang hirap nito baga pagmultahin pa tayo. Inspection West. bigat sa trailer ng malaki-laki. Hindi naman siya abot ng 1,000. Scale. Ewan ko kung anong sasabihin ni Madam. Five. $16,370 ang ano, ang drive natin. Ang laki, 17,860. 17,860 ang timbang ng ating ano. Okay, so park tayo doon, tapos punta tayo doon kay ma'am. $860 kg ang lamang. Okay, so bakit ayaw niyang mag-ano ng on duty ito? Roadside inspection Canada. Okay, so breakdown, waiting for paperwork, waiting clearance. Hindi naman nila kailangan yung ano, o ano ba? Okay, so ilagay ko lang sarili ko dito, waiting for clearance, skill inspection. Patayin muna natin guys. Tanungin natin kung ano magagawa natin. Ay, golden. Malaki-laki yun. Ano kayang sasabihin ni ma'am? Ipapadiretso kaya niya ako? O pababalikin ako ng Winnipeg? Public entrance. Here? Here, ma'am?
No, just right here.
Okay. Ano kayang ano ko? Guys, kabado na ako. Baka hindi na tayo makalusot ngayon. Baka titikitan na tayo. Guys, raw vlog na to ha. Si ma'am nang bahala. Hintayin lang natin. Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you're well over. You're
Yes.
at 860 over. on your trailer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can't try and be legal with your weights by being illegal with your dimensions, right? You can't fix one
Yeah.
and do wrong with the other, right?
Yeah.
So your dimensions were at 13.3 meters and legal is 12.5 meters. So you moved quite a bit. I'm gonna let you proceed overweight, so if anybody stops you, you can show them this, but you are getting a ticket because that's the only way I can let you proceed today.
Yeah.
And yeah, you're obviously over on your weights too. A weight ticket is much more than a dimensions ticket, so I'm helping you out that way. It's under the Commercial Transport Act, distance between axles does not conform.
Yeah.
Section 12, sub 1, sub D, it's $115. So you're gonna have 30 days to either pay or dispute the ticket. Options are on the back there for you.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, yeah.
I'll get you to sign here just saying you received a copy, and I'll give you a copy there. Give you back your binder.
So no warning this time?
No, because you did two things wrong. You're overweight and your axles are
Too very far back?
yeah, too far back. So I can only give you a warning on one, not both. The axle weight is tickets are pretty expensive, so I gave you a dimensions ticket instead. But
Dimension ticket, okay, $115.
yeah, the overweight tickets are really expensive.
You think how much is that? If overweight, how much is the cost of that?
If you give me a second, I can let you know.
Yes, please, ma'am, so that I know. Dimension ticket, $115. Tapos ang overweight ticket sa ganong halaga,
$219.
so for the 860 kg, I'm paying approximately 219 supposed to be.
That's
Yeah.
what the ticket would have been, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, at hopefully they're not gonna ting me in there. I'm just gonna show them here, this one.
That's what I said. So
Okay.
if somebody does stop you for being overweight, you can show them that paperwork and you can continue. But
Okay.
next time you can't be overweight or over your dimensions when you come into BC, okay?
Alright, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, thank
bye
you.
now.
Alright guys, wala tayong lusot ngayon. Pinapili ako ni madam kung dimension ticket or overweight ticket. Wala galing kasi ito sa Montreal iba kasi ang sa Montreal pinalagpas tayo sa mga open scale sa Montreal. Dito hindi tayo pinalagpas kasi BC ito British Columbia Pinalagpas tayo sa lahat ng timbangan sa Montreal kasi okay lang yung dimension, okay naman ang timbang natin. Dito pina-adjust nila at pinapili nila ako. Dimension ticket, ang bayad ko sa dimension ticket nagsasabi rito $115. Doon sa the overweight scale, ang bayad doon is $219. So ito na lang, mas mura. Mas mura yung babayaran kong ticket. Wala tayong magagawa every province kasi guys may mga kanya-kanyang mga mga rules dyan Katulad yan, dimension ticket yung hindi ka pwedeng sumobra doon sa axle mo doon sa trailer kanina, kaya nakikita nyo iminumove ko ng iminumove kasi yun ang requirements dito sa British Columbia, lalo paliko-liko yun. First time ko talaga itong nangyari rin sa akin. Actually, ang kadalasan ko lang naman na binabiyahe Manitoba all the way here. Ito, first time ko lang bumiyahe ng Montreal na load papunta rito, sobra-sobra pa. Dapat ang binigay nila sa aking trailer yung tri-axle eh, para wala na sana akong problema. But anyway guys, kung mayroon pang bukas na timbangan dyan sa Hope, alam ko panibagong ano na naman dyan sa Hope. Although Vancouver na rin, pagka ito pinul-over nila ako dyan, ipapakita ko lang itong dimension na ticket. Yung overweight na i-move ko. So si ma'am, grateful pa rin ako kasi doon na ako sa dimension ticket kasi mas mura. Anyway guys, alis na ako. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang panonood at pagsuporta sa video vlog nila kayo. Isa na naman na panibagong experience natin to, charge. So the experience na naman natin ito. So susunod, alam ko nang gagawin ko. Alright you guys, ingat kayo lagi. Thank you sa panonood nyo. Peace up guys. Bye.
Lakay Pinoy Tracker.